Hey everyone, okay, so look at these beauties. Bought these from Current Beauty in the UK. Got all three because that was the only ones that were available. Pat McGrath. This is their new blusher. Ironically, reasonably priced when you consider the rest of the range. These are quite reasonably priced, 7 grams of product. This shade here is called Peach Lotus. So I'll swatch all three on my forehead and then we'll apply them. We'll use fingers since I forgot a sponge. So this is Peach Lotus. I mean, it's never going to be enough colour for me, is it? Let's be honest, because I like a week's worth on my face. Well, next one I think is Peony. Paradise Peony. I think it's Peony. I honestly can't read. So we'll try. These are super pretty. So this is a cream blush, but it's really a balm because it's got that real dewy texture to it. That is so pretty. What's the next one? I can't even read it. It begins with an F. I just can't read it. It's a lot deeper. Look at that. Well. Let's do that on the nose and the temples so we can kind of see. I think there was like a rose one, but it wasn't available. I was really disappointed. There we go. These are so pretty. Let's add a bit more. If I was to matte down the center of my face now, these would look so pretty because they are really, okay, love, love, love. That's the end of it. So let me swatch. I'm going to do the Peony here. So right in the center, that's Peony with quite a heavy swatch. Then I'm going to do the Peach right in the center. That's so pretty, that peach one. Look at that. That is really pretty. And the one beginning with an F. I haven't got my glasses on. I can't find them. So that's the 3 shades that I've got here. So I'll rotate for you. These are beautiful. I like the fact that there's 7 grams of product here. That makes me, because these were like 20, I think they were in the early 20s in terms of money, like £20 in the early £20 limit. And for Pat McGrath, I mean, you know, she's practically giving them away. I love it. I absolutely love it. I love all blush, so I'm a bit biased, not going to lie to you. Lovely. Thanks for watching. Links for the products always down there. See you soon. Bye-bye.